get out the way. Move. My bitch on your ass, Kim K. Yeah. No disrespect, the nigga be trippin', but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the Wraith.
What's good, my mother freaking dolls? I'm back with another freaking banger. But today I'm gonna be doing like my daily makeup routine. Yeah, I still have my skin like moisturized and stuff right now. So we're gonna get into the freaking brows. I have my glass. I really can't see, so that's why I got my glasses on. Okay, so what I do next, I usually like bake all of this, my brows and stuff. I like to bake my brows so that they can stay. So all I'm gonna do is take this and I mix this up, this with this. This fix me, this fit me thing. Oh, and I got it in the color dark, if y'all can see. I got it in dark. And I mix it with my finishing powder. And it comes out like this color. And then I take this and then I just blend it all in. But I blend it in with this. Like I don't know if I might use liquid today. I don't know. But I might use liquid today. Okay, so I'm gonna take my concealer again. And I'm gonna put it on contour. I'm gonna take this again. And I'm gonna use this. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face. This foundation. Just put this here on. Now, I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna blend Oh man. These things, so I'm gonna just take this and dab it right there and dab it right there, and then I'm gonna just take it, and then I'm gonna just
I'm gonna take this.
this, and I'm gonna use this brown. And I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna put it into my crease. And I'm gonna take this color right here, and I'm gonna just put it on my lids. It takes practice, you guys. It takes practice. So let's go. I think it's gone. But this is the black eyeliner with it. It's liquid. And I got my tweezers and I got my lashes. So now I'm just gonna put eyeliner on. And forgive me because so I'm gonna go do my other eye and I'll be right back. So I'll take this and I'm gonna highlight above my shadow on my brow. And do my waterline.